We, the indigenous people of Aotearoa, ask for the rights entitled to us under the agreement our ancestors signed on February 6, 1840.
Her Queen Majesty is an alien. Ration her veggies, distribute her goods amongst the people and tell them this is what they asked for when they signed in ink.
Written in blood.
Carved into our history.
In the land wars that followed.
The web of deception that was woven to suck the life out of our whenua, bury the bodies within it, build a beehive on top of it.
City-sized urupa with skyscrapers for headstones. Named after dead generals who have never even stepped foot in this country.
Gambled our lives through legislations and laws.
The treaty was a double-edged sword piercing throughout Ahurea.
But it wasn't meant to be this way. Waitangi was meant to be a conversation to bring peace, to prevent decades of conflict, but the promise of New Zealand.
Only written so England could beat France in a colonial rat race.
The treaty did not change how they treated us.
So a war followed after it, like Pepi to Mama. Their bones binding the pavement we walk upon.
So when we talk about how all New Zealanders will be the same,
remember the thousands upon thousands of tangata whenua who were killed to build this country. A country that disregards their future, sells cigarettes to their mokopuna. A country threatened by the mana they have running through their veins. The treaty did not change how they treated us.
Caused our foremothers to learn the reo through agony. Stealing from a people who mourned the worlds they've lost.
In the form of reo, whenua, and whānau.
Shared grievances forced Māori
to become one, united in mamai and hope.
Offered more than a century's worth of manipulation.
With a government that wants to abolish Te Tiriti.
Forced to lie down our throats deemed as a truth.
Forced to live in a system where indigenous rangatahi still have to question their importance.
Still yearning for a sense of belonging to what's beneath their feet.
This society, those cities,
our Kiwi pride. What will we call ourselves when we realize that's Māori too?
With 2 blood-stained contracts etched into the back of this country.
Aiming for the destruction of a mother tongue and its knowledge.
Scars lashed around the wrist caused by a wooden paddle.
To stroke the ego of a symbol.
Of a crown.
Of a mindset that the only way to learn a new language is to beat the previous one out.
But this reo clawed its way out beneath the cracks, forged a path of re-indigenizing the land. We can't referendum our way out of this history.
We did not ask for a society based on mistranslated articles. Words written on paper are hollow unless followed by action.
So remember.
When you make promises you can't keep,
know that our mokopuna were born screaming with clenched fists, ready to reclaim what was manipulated and stolen. Toi tu te whenua, whatungarongaro te tangata. Toi tu te tiriti, whatungarongaro te whenua. Kumara hei whangai te hunga a popoe.